our last lesson, we saw what was money. In this one, we're going to see what gives money that value. So there's a few attributes it needs to comply with, and we're just going to go through them so you can get a better understanding of that. First of all, it needs to be divisible, right? So that means that it can be made into smaller units of value. It needs to be fungible, so that means it needs to be interchangeable for something. It needs to be portable, so that means you need to be able to transport it easily from one place to another, which sometimes with gold and silver, depending on how much ounces or grams or kilos that you're carrying, that would make it very hard and very heavy. It needs to be durable, so it needs to withstand repeated use. I know some countries around the world now have some type of bills that are made out of a type of plastic. Now, acceptability. It should be accepted everywhere in order to do a transaction. And it needs to be uniform, right? So, I mean, all versions of the same denomination must have the same purchasing power. And there should be a limited supply. So, this is where the money that we're currently using, the dollars, the pesos, whatever it may be, doesn't comply with the attributes because they're printing a lot of these and there isn't a limited supply of it or something that's being backed by something else, and like in the old days with gold. There's a hidden mechanism that makes money work, and that's called a network effect. So the network effect goes something like this. As long as everyone agrees that the chosen item has value, then it does, and this has been reinforced by the governments with their approved currencies in each of their territories. The more the people use the coin or the bill, the more value they perceive it has.